Morning Mustangs, it's Mr. Warmouth. This is for fifth period. So today is Thursday, October 8th. This is going to be a really short video. I want to say thanks to those of you who've been in contact with me and asking good questions and following along with what we're doing in class. That's awesome. If you're struggling, you have questions, please reach out and I'll see what I can do to help you. It sounds like most of you will be back soon though, so that's good news. So today's Thursday, October 8th. The reminders are here. Did you submit your digital share last night? If not, there's a click there for you. Tomorrow you should be through chapters 5 and 6 of the City of Ember. And there is a reading guide here for you. If you're not sure where you should be, you can click that and follow along. Today we'll talk about chapters 3 and 4 in class. And then tomorrow you can expect a reading check. So that'll be included on Friday's info page. Check your grades. If something's missing or it's a 0, let me know. We have about a week left until the grades are due. So next Friday, the 16th, is when your grades will be due. So at the end of school that day, I'll tally the grades, and that'll be it. I won't be able to accept anything else for this quarter. Well, what are we doing today? So today, I mentioned this maybe in an email yesterday, but I think this unit is starting to kind of take shape in my mind now. Excuse me. The theme is in the dark, and so the materials that we have are new this year, and the first thing that jumped out with the theme was this idea of we could read the City of Ember, which I think really fits in well with In the Dark. In the Dark can mean a lot of different things, but City of Ember also kind of lends itself to this idea of preparing for some kind of disaster or tragedy, which once you get into the story a little deeper, you'll see that, I think. So this week we read about tsunamis and the devastation from 2004 around India, and I think we're just going to continue with that trend for now. And then next week we'll probably, because I've done this in the past and it worked out really well, we'll probably do a speech where you'll pick a topic, a disaster to prepare for, a blizzard or tornado or something like that, and you'll present that to the class probably after fall break. Fall break is Monday the 19th, so we'll probably start preparing next week. Excuse me again, and then we'll come back the week after fall break and present those things. So more on that as you return to school next week. So today we're going to read about the fires on the West Coast. This is something that was not included in what I did in the past, but it makes sense to talk about wildfires because it's in the news right now. So if you do watch the news with your parents or on your own, or you just kind of pay attention to things, you should know that there have been wildfires in California and really just the West Coast states for a long time now. So there are a couple articles here. The first one is from Newsela, and it's from a year ago, and it's talking about the devastation from a year ago. And then the second link here is from in the last month. I think it's in the last week, kind of where things stand today. It's no better. It's getting worse, it seems like. The dry conditions out there have definitely made these wildfires worse. Whether that's a climate change thing or a forest management thing, well, that's kind of up for debate. Maybe it's a little bit of both. So if you'd like to see the map of the current fires, this is actually a link here. You're welcome to click on that. And here's an important question to kind of end today with. How do we prevent forest fires? Well, there's a link here from the American Red Cross, I believe. And it talks about some of the different things that we can do collectively to prepare for and hopefully avoid these kind of disasters in the future. So look for more disaster readings and discussions. Tomorrow, Friday, I think we're going to do something a little more fun. I'm not sure how I can make it work for those of you who are not here, but I'll think about that and we'll see what we can do. And I guess that's it. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Again, if you have questions, please let me know. See ya.